Hello, Wolverine's Elevated students. In today's video, we are going to be walking through the steps you need to take in order to create an Outlook calendar for your upcoming semester. If you need further assistance creating your Outlook calendar, please don't hesitate to ask a peer mentor for extra guidance. To begin, you are going to open up Chrome and go to Your Outlook. When you open your Outlook, make sure that you click on the calendar icon on the left-hand side. To create a new calendar, we are going to click over here on the left-hand side where it says Add Calendar. Once you click this, then it will show up with this following page. Again, on the left-hand side, we are going to click on Create Blank Calendar. Once you have clicked Create Blank Calendar, now you will see the customization steps. Here is where you will put in the name of your calendar. You can even select a color or a charm. For this calendar, I'm going to call it Spring 2022. For the color, I'm going to click green for UVU, and I'm going to choose my icon. If you need to put in your customizations, please pause the video. Once you are done selecting all of your customizations, please click Save. Now that your calendar has been saved, you can go over here on the right-hand side and click the X. On the left-hand side, we can see all of your different calendars. If you're wanting to edit the Spring 2022, make sure that you don't have any other calendars selected. Now that you have created your calendar, we can go into the next step, which is creating an event or inputting your class schedule. To begin inputting events on your new calendar, click New Event up in the top left-hand corner. Now that you've clicked New Event, your screen should look similar to mine. Here, you're going to type in the title. For me, I'm inputting a class, and this class is Career Development. Now that I have the title in, I'm going to go down here and you can select the start date. For me, I'm going to select January 1st. Next, you can move over to the times. If my class started at 10 a.m., then I would scroll up here to 10. And if my class went until 10:50, if you click the arrow, you'll see that there isn't actually a 10:50 option. So to add in your customization, you simply click in the time, would delete the number, and input the number that you need. Now that my time says 10 a.m. to 10:50, I can come over here to the repeat. Here you can select how many times you want this class to repeat, such as never, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. If I had this class 3 times a week, I would click weekly, and here is where I would click all the days that I have this class. Let's say I have it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Once you have the day selected, then you can click Save, and then you can come down here to Remind Me, where you can select how many minutes or hours or days you want to be reminded of this event before. If you want to customize this class, you could click up here on Categorize and select a different color. Now that you like the way your class is looking, you can click Save. Now that I have one of my courses planned out, you will repeat the following steps for the rest of your courses. The final thing we are going to review in this video is how you can share your calendar with others. Once you have completed your entire calendar and are ready to share it with the Wolverine's Elevated staff, you will click on the calendar in which you want to share. Here you will click the 3 dots, and up at the top click Sharing and Permissions. Here you will enter the name in which you want to share the calendar with. Once I have selected who I want to share my calendar with, I will go ahead and click Share. If you would like to review these steps again or keep it for a future reference, you can also download the document below in the description box, and it will take you through each of the steps we just went over in this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to contact the program director or one of your peer mentors.